Converging and Diverging Infinite Series. Some number series have a finite value despite having an infinite number of terms. They are called converging infinite series. For example, geometric series with a fractional common ratio smaller than 1 are infinite series. As the terms become smaller and smaller, the increase in sum becomes more and more irrelevant. A typical infinite series, we have the following shown on screen. This series points towards the value 1, as first we take half of the whole, then half of the remaining half and so on. As illustrated in the figure, we have the following shown on screen. This is because the divisions remain always within the original square, regardless of the number of partitions made. Hence, we have the following shown on screen. For the condition for an infinite series to be convergent, we have the following shown on screen. Where L is a finite number. In the previous example, L equals 1. Example. What is the value of the following shown on screen? Solution. From the example, in theory, we can write the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 12.4.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 12.4.3, Calculating an Infinite Geometric Series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.